Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey gardeners, you got a minute? I hope that you all have been enjoying our new short form video segments we've been releasing here on the Urban Gardener. With a Garden Minute, we want to cover a wide range of various garden topics throughout the growing season and beyond. So I really love to hear what you think of our new gardening segment here on the Urban Gardener, or if you've got any ideas for us for a Garden Minute, please let me know right down up in that comment section below. And of course, always give our videos a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, and don't forget, hit the subscribe button as well, and follow along with more garden adventures as we continue growing here on the Urban Gardener. Now, let's get growing.